Oh my God, guys, look. Look. I know this looks innocent, but I smell something fishy.
Wait, pa-zoom na. Pa-zoom na.
Oh my gosh, I know that tattoo. That's her. Yan yung kabit ni Zach. Siya yun.
Galing ko talaga. Siya yung kabit? Teka, kilala ko yan yung pinafollow ko yan. Influencer yan. Si Syndicate.
What? Wait, Syndicate yung pangalan niya?
Hindi nyo kilala?
Syndicate.
Oo, Syndicate.
Syndicate?
Syndicate.
Syndicate.
Cindy_Kate.
Sindikato?
Syndicate.
Hindi nyo kilala talaga. Siya yan. Hindi, basta hindi ko alam kung totoo, pero siya yan. Sigurado ko, alam ko yung tatong yan.
We'll go with you. Right, girls?
May shift pa ako.
Yeah, and I also have a group study to get to. And besides, I need plausible deniability if anything goes down. So, kayo na lang, okay? Guys, please don't do anything stupid. Okay?
Promise I'll behave.
Okay, we'll go.
Balitaan nyo na lang kami.
Yeah.
You don't have to come, eh. You should focus on your wedding preparations.
That's what sisters are for, diba? Tsaka gusto ko rin makita yung other woman ng Zach na yan. Ayun.
Cindy, hi! I'm sorry. Wait lang, ha? Sorry, wait lang.
Yes?
We need something from you. So, ano naman tayo makausap?
Sorry, I'm really rushing right now.
Saan ka pupunta? Ha? Oh. Ang kapal na mukha mong harasin ako. Tapos tatakbo ka to side of me. I know who you are and your tacky tattoo. Ikaw yung kabit ni Zach. Ikaw yung nangaras sa akin with that video.
Hinaharas? Hindi kita hinaharas. I just want to reveal that ikaw yung pumatay kay Zach.
Delete that video. Or else, I will tell all your followers who you really are. Isang kabit. That's why you can come forward, di ba? Kaya puro anonymous yung mga messages mo sa akin dahil takot kang ma-expose as a mistress. Sagot!
Eh, ikaw, murderer! Kaya ba pinapabura mo sa akin yung video?
Yes, nag-away kami ni Zach. Pero hindi ko siya sinaktan. But I can clear my name from that accusation. Eh, ikaw, can you clear your name sa pagiging isang kabit? You will be cancelled. Did you hear me? You will be cancelled by everyone. That's what you get for touching someone who isn't yours.
Fun-fun lang naman yung sa amin ni Zach.
Excuse me?
Tsaka pumayag lang naman ako dahil he promised for a collab. I mean, you know, to gain more followers.
Fun, ha? Pero hinaharas mo yung kapatid ko?
Ayoko na nga sana dapat ma-involve. I mean, I also want to protect my identity. Pero feeling ko, importante yung video na yun sa kaso. So, I wanted to give it to the police. Pero, nag-back out na rin ako last minute.
We don't care about your freaking issues, huh? Just delete the damn video. Delete it right now in front of us. Kasi kung hindi, bibilin ko lahat ng pamilya mo. Lahat ng magulang mo, yung mga kapatid mo, bibilin ko sa lahat para maging ulila ka. Tapos ito, yan, yung diamante mo yan, peke yan, i-report kita. I-report kita, tapos lahat ng followers mo, babayaran ko isa-isa, ika-cancel ka nila. Stupid! Delete that freaking video.
Fine. Fine. Sige na nga. Didelete ko na.
Delete! Delete mo! Delete!
Done. Basta, promise me, walang makakaalam tungkol sa amin ni Zach.